Hey guys, we wanted to do a video on how to put the pedestals together. So we right now have this set up with the base, the side, and the back piece. What you want to make sure you do, just like we just did here on the first screw, you just want to put this in there and go straight in. Make sure you do not angle it. Sometimes you will get like the front one where it may lift a little bit on the melamine, but this does go in really tight and secure. And we're going to go ahead and hit these here on the back piece into the side. You just want to make sure you don't go too hard or too fast with it. That can sometimes cause an issue. But you see how we're doing that? Just nice and steady, just straight into it. And pretty easy to do. We've had some people that have asked for videos, so we figured this might make it a little bit easier and also to help out some. And you see how that had a little bit of a gap and it did close itself in. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop this. We're gonna hold up the next panel on here and we're gonna start the next video here. Okay guys, so here we go again. We're screwing in the left panel here. And as you can tell too, just like on the back, sometimes the melamine will kind of bend up like that. Not a problem, it's still going in super tight. And just to kind of give you an idea, I'm actually shaking the panel right now and there is absolutely no movement at all. And now we're on the back support. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and grab the kick plate. I wanted to just move the camera so you can kind of see, again, all the screws that are screwed in. So we'll be right back here, guys. Hey guys, okay, we are doing the front kick plate now. As you can see, pretty easy, pretty quick as well. And like I said, I can't say enough that you just don't want to use too much power. So any type of like an impact drill or something like that would be too much. You just want to use a simple small drill or an electric type of screwdriver. All right, and then I'm just gonna run through here so everybody can see how everything kind of comes together here. Like I said, you may end up getting a little bit of that melamine that will show almost like a lifting or a cracking, kind of like this, perfectly fine. As you can tell right here as well, this thing is together rock solid, not going anywhere, to where you can kind of see here as well. I'm still shaking it and there's no movement at all. So we'll be back with the control panel mount and the control panel as well. Hey guys, so we're doing the control panel mount. Just wanted to mention on the instructions, it does show that the screws for the control panel mount into the base. It shows 12 inches, and 12 inches should hit the mounting rectangle inside of the legs. But one thing I would recommend is when you go to mount this, have somebody with you, because we actually do this, and you'll see too, I'm gonna in this video, and we're gonna start another one so people can see. But it does take two of us to kind of point out where those mounting blocks are. But typically right about 12 inches to 12 1/4 inches is where you want to drill the screw into the mounting block. So we'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, so when you go to screw in the control panel mount, just so you can kind of see how we're doing this, we're drilling from the top with this in place to hit the mounting block. And you see that comes right through the middle of the mounting block. And we do two of these as well, just to give some extra security with it. And there's two options on how to put these in. Hold on one second, guys. Let me just grab this so you can see. We include screws, or we have these bolts with some wing nuts like this that will go right in. So we'll kind of show you how that drops in and how we tighten it up there. Hey guys, okay, so for the hinges, the last step here, what we do is we will tape the hinges just like this here. We do 3 of them across to where you can see here. There is a little bit of space between each of the sides and the hinge. And we tape it up just like that, make it a little easier to then screw in. And this is super easy to do. Did you have any occasion to observe anything that would give you clues about chemicals? Did you ever see anything that would give you any questions or concerns about how healthy she was? No. And of course, what you want to do is you want to make sure this is flush here, above and below. Not at all. Did she ever express any concerns about how she was feeling? No. And at these classes, did you talk to her regularly? I did, yes. I think we're gonna have to